पहली बार श्रवण से मुलाकात हुई जिंदगी में, जिस कोई कहानियां पढ़ी थी वो श्रवण ऐसा निकलेगा।
आप कितना भी कर लो ओवर एक्टिंग, अगर सामने वाला आपको नहीं दे रहा है ना रिस्पॉन्स।
नॉर्वे में शूट भी हो, लंदन में भी शूट हो,
Love it, love
वैसा
that
लाइफ में होता नहीं, वो एक ड्रीम है। शूट लखनऊ में होता है। वो 2-2.5 महीने 1.5 महीना तकलीफ होती है, लेकिन उसके बाद जब हम लोग ऐसे इसी कमरों में बैठ के इंटरव्यू देते हैं, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है।
How do you deal with that weight?
Dealing with weight is very easy for me. It was right there. It was right there, guys.
Hey guys, my name is Shravan Shah and today I'm going to be having a conversation with the cast of Dabba Card. And what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Whoa, I brought this energy for you guys. Gajrat sir is shocked, startled, I don't know what.
मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि पहली बार श्रवण से मुलाकात हुई जिंदगी में, जिस कोई कहानियां पढ़ी थी वो श्रवण ऐसा निकलेगा।
Sir, Kalyug,
कलयुग का श्रवण।
But listen guys, so I have watched 3 episodes of Dabba Card.
Yay!
And I have to officially say I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Love it. I'm like, यार these women and this man काफी अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है आप सब शो में। तो सबसे पहले कैसे लग रहा है आप खुद की तारीफ सुन के? आप
बहुत अच्छा, हमें बहुत आदत है।
आदत है ना? Very good,
हम
Shalini.
एक दूसरे की तारीफ करते रहते
Very
हैं।
good, Shalini. No, but listen, if I'm gonna actually begin with a game, okay?
Oh, lovely.
If you have to describe your character from Dabba Cartel in a dish, what dish would that be? Go for it, Jyotika. I'm gonna begin with you.
She'll say some sweet only.
नहीं, वरुणा is not
I
sweet.
know, it's very difficult for you.
No way sweet.
सांबर
You're like sambar.
सब मिक्स,
Yeah.
टैंगी और सब मसालेदार मिक्स.
What about you, Shalini?
I'm thinking.
Yeah?
I think kheer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let her be
Just
there
there.
for now.
चावल
Just
की
there.
खीर.
No. She unravels. You will see.
Oh.
Yeah.
What about you, ma'am?
I think Shahida would be biryani.
Oh, Shahid, that's like biryani.
Yeah, different in every bite. Sometimes masala, sometimes chawal, no elaichi.
Thanks. No elaichi for me. Sahi?
I think some chaat item.
Yeah?
maybe. Yeah.
Like pani puri-ish.
Yeah, dahi bada.
Dahi
bada puri.
Dahi papdi chaat.
Yeah.
Sir,
भरवा करेला।
अरे सोचा था ना, मैं बैठ के सोच रहे थे देर से।
he's like,
Best answer मेरा।
जल्दी पूछो मुझे, जल्दी
He's
पूछो.
like परवा करेला. No, but it is so true.
कि वो दिखने में इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, लेकिन वो मुंह में डालती कड़वा है।
When you guys are a part of a show like this, okay, the artist in you, of course, loves the content and that's why you're a part of it. But there is also a side of you that as an artist where you want to be selfish and be like, yo, what am I adding to the table? Okay. How many times do you, Jyotika, give it a thought and you're like, hey, okay, with so many people on the card, what am I adding to the table?
Basically, all our stories were entangled. So it's very difficult to add separately. But I'd say about Varuna, she always has this facade for the outer world because she's a high society woman.
Yeah.
So I tried a lot to express through the eyes because the eyes can't lie.
That's true.
And I feel that was her mirror.
Yeah.
So her demeanor is something else, but she's transparent at the same time.
Yeah.
That's something I think a performance added.
That is
yeah.
That is actually so true because that scene when your house help comes and you're like, "Aa jaiye, breakfast ready," and I'm like, "Whoa, relate Max Pro Ultra Grand has happened here." Say, I'm gonna jump to you. When I watched the show, okay, the first appearance again, एक तो I have realized this. आप सबके first appearances इतने deceiving है because you watch the show and you know as a viewer you start making notes कि अच्छा ये इंसान ये हो सकता है and 3 scenes later you're like whoa this was not expected. So even with your first appearance I'm like bro very coy, very like carpet-ish, and then I'm like bro no, none of y'all are. Now did you know that this is coming in the script and थोड़ा tricky हो जाता है ना to play this, that you have to play coy but at the same time you have to then suddenly turn the table.
So in a show like this मैं तो पहले ये कहना चाहूँगी it's a very well written show. So आपका काम बहुत आसान और कम हो जाता है.
Yeah.
Secondly, the location, people, co-actors, they add so much. Sometimes मेरे लिए co-actors matter a lot.
Yeah.
I think they add and they just add and it's never only you.
Yeah.
It's always, it takes a village. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये सारा प्रोसेस है, इसको एक अलग नहीं निकाल सकते. So of course I was given the brief and everything, but situations ऐसे बनते गए कि you rightly said कि the appearances are quite deceiving. So I think it's written so well कि हमें बहुत कम करना पड़ा, honestly.
Also, that scene between you and Anjali where she's trying to really tell you in her broken Marathi, हाँ मैं इसका broker, and that even that smallest interaction, you understand what Anjali's character is trying to do, and you know what your character is trying to do. So Anjali, especially that scene for me, I'm like यार ये बंदी बहुत sweet है, ठीक है? I'm assuming वो वैसे रहे.
You'll have to watch.
But Anjali, when you're a part of a show like this, and I'm going to ask you the same question. You know, even with Rocky or Rani, it was an ensemble cast, right? Do you ever sit down and read the script and be like, yo, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ?
I think like even when I read Rocky Rani, it was like इतने सारे लोगों के बीच में और इतने सारे दिग्गज लोगों के बीच में मुझे कौन ही देखेगा. But I was like मुझे इतना अच्छा पार्ट मिला है कि मुझे ये करना है. I want this message out in the world that you know बस हो गया अभी बहुत हो गया. And again with this I didn't have much time. I had not read the script, nothing. But it was such a sweet deal that I just got a call, Netflix, you're one of the leads, and this is the cast, and this is the producer, and I'm like, yeah, I would be stupid to say no to it. Whatever the character is, I know I will do my best. And जिसने लिखा होगा अच्छा ही और अच्छा ही सोच के लिखा होगा ना, किसी के बुराई के लिए तो थोड़ी कोई लिखेगा. And if it's written so well, I think हम सबके characters इतने distinctively अलग है. She rightly said, अगर show अच्छे से लिखा है ना, तो आपको ज़्यादा वो आपको बहुत अच्छी help मिल जाती है. And बहुत सारे projects होते हैं जहाँ लोग अपने लिए काम कर रहे होते हैं इंडिविजुअली सेल्फिशली, बट बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट, बहुत कम प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं जहाँ हर इंसान शो के लिए काम कर रहा होता है टू मेक श्योर दैट द शो कम्स आउट वेल, बिकॉज अगर शो अच्छा चलेगा तो सबके लिए अच्छा होगा, यू नो. सो आई थिंक वही कहानी अगर आपने पुट अक्रॉस कर दी ना अच्छे से, then it's over, then you don't have to do anything. So like she said, your co-stars are so important कि you play with them, it's so much fun कि बिना कुछ कहे बिना कुछ डिस्कस किए आप एक दूसरे के साथ खेल सकते हो, and you don't even know कि क्या आने वाला है, and you're as good as your co-star is what I feel. आप कितना भी कर लो ओवर एक्टिंग, अगर सामने वाला आपको नहीं दे रहा है ना रिस्पॉन्स, it's like everything in life. अगर मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, अगर आप रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करोगे तो मैं बात करना ही बंद कर दूंगी. मैं कौन यार. एग्जैक्टली. तो अगर जितना सामने वाला दे उतना ही अच्छा आप हो सकते हो if you're listening.
With this show I also feel like you guys genuinely like vouch for each other, and it shows in the kind of camaraderie that y'all have shared on screen, and it's very evident. So you know, I think kudos to you guys for doing that. Shalini, coming to you, do you think a show like this was long time coming for you?
You know, I'm very happy, like how, you know, every one of us are saying that कि it's a very well written show. Also सबके characters इतने actually distinctive हैं कि सबको अपने में खेलने का मौका मिलता है, सबको dive करने का मौका मिलता है. Like Raji also seems like a very sweet, nice, simple girl. Yes or no, बहुत honest है, but वो अभी situations ऐसी होती है कि where she has, the stakes are really high. And her character unravels. And also with Raji, I myself understood because I had to surrender to Raji for me to actually have fun with Raji. Because uska character na comes to a point where she grapples with these two situations, with the girl she was and the woman she becomes. So the journey that she's had has actually morally impacted her and me as Shalini, the way I've seen Raji. So I had so much fun and we all believed in the show together. That's why I think we had a lot of fun together. Because हम सब ना, I don't think हम सब ये सोच रहे थे कि like कि हम अपना कर लेते हैं. I think हम सब ये था कि let's see how the scene becomes better. हम इसको कैसे better बनाते हैं, because I think all of us was having so much, like how everyone is saying, we are really rooting for this show because it's actually something that we all enjoyed.
It absolutely shows. And that's such a fab thing. Gajat sir, do you know this, that आप जिस भी project में होते हैं, whether the project does great or no is secondary, but people have this kind of faith in you that यार if Gajraj Rao is a part of something, he will nail it. He will nail it. And I mean, the 4 women sitting here are agreeing with me on this. Do you know that that's the kind of...
दूसरा वो ये भी हो सकता है ना कि मैं लेजी एक्टर हूँ, कम प्रोजेक्ट करता हूँ.
I don't think that is true.
इतने humble मत बनो आप.
हाँ, काफी modest बन रहे हो आप.
नहीं, पर मुझे लगता है कि वो अब choices आप कितने, क्योंकि टेम्पटेशन बहुत इजीली होता है ना, कि पैसे का टेम्पटेशन, बाहर और अच्छे लोकेल्स में शूट करने का टेम्पटेशन,
Which is
क्योंकि
being very real. I love
No,
it.
I have the same.
हाँ,
सबको
क्योंकि मेरा बड़ा हाँ कि बहुत सारा पैसा मिले और फिर वो नॉर्वे में शूट भी हो, लंदन में भी शूट हो,
Love it, love
वैसा
that
लाइफ में
generation.
होता नहीं, वो एक ड्रीम है। शूट लखनऊ में होता है,
बोरीवली में होता है।
भोपाल में होता है, नहीं सब्सिडी भोपाल में मिलती है। तो अब आपको चूज करना है कि आप एक एवरेज स्टोरी, एक ओके कहानी आप नॉर्वे में शूट करो, या एक बहुत कमाल की कहानी, एक बहुत कमाल का डायरेक्टर जो अपनी कहानी कहने के लिए बेताब है, बहुत कमाल के को एक्टर्स, उनके साथ सड़ी हुई गर्मी में भोपाल जाओ।
Nice.
तो वो चॉइसेस है, वो
Better
Very well.
experience.
तो
Very
वो आप
well
सिलेक्ट कर लो आप, तो उसके अंदर फिर जिंदगी क्या होता है, वो 2-2.5 महीने 1.5 महीना तकलीफ होती है, लेकिन उसके बाद जब हम लोग ऐसे इसी कमरों में बैठ के इंटरव्यू देते हैं, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है उसको।
So well said, yeah.
Really
So well
well,
said.
really
For all of
well
us.
said. Jessica, to what you said, okay? I was going through your filmography today, and you've been a part of the industry for 3 decades now.
Wow.
So you've seen the industry change in the truest form, and you know you've been a part of cinema. And ये conversation तो अभी start हुई है pan India. You've been there, done that, and you've moved on in life, and you're like, bro, done that. Okay. So एक तो सबसे पहली बात तो
मैंने कर लिया।
हाँ, but you know when you hear this pan India conversation, ठीक है? What are your first thoughts on that?
I think it's only grown. I feel, as coming from South especially,
Uh-huh.
the kind of warm welcome I've got towards Hindi, I feel this wasn't there 15 years back. It's there. I can only see growth. I just see in Dabba Ka Atal, we are a mix of all the states.
That's true.
I think it's what else is cinema. It's going beyond languages. It's going beyond cultures, which wasn't the state 10-15 years earlier.
Yeah.
So all I can see is growth.
Yeah.
And I feel great because, like Gajraj Rao sir said, that it's all when good actors come together, a good product is made.
Yeah.
And I feel that's so true of Dabba Ka Atal, I feel.
To all three of you all, to what he was talking about, the temptation, right? Being an artist, of course, you want your craft to be seen and all of that. But there's also this temptation, the temptation of fame, the temptation of vanity. Okay. How does one stay true to the art and still stay away from the temptation?
I think by being present.
Yeah.
Being present is the most important thing, I believe. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि when you pour your heart and soul into something, everything else is a byproduct. And I have always believed
Yeah.
that. So
That's for you. What about you, Shan? The temptation.
Yeah, with time I've realized, मतलब in my very young career, with time, my first film Arjun Reddy, after that I've realized actually that, and to each its own, हाँ, सबके लिए, किसी के लिए fame important होगा, किसी के लिए money, and that's okay.
Yeah.
For me, I've realized it's so important. I get happiness when I'm on set, playing different characters, being challenged, telling stories, and that's the artist that I want to be, and that's the artist that I am. मैं घर से निकल के यही करने आई थी. So for me, this is really important to be part of great stories. Of course, as he said, temptations होती हैं, but like he said, temptations with an average story and being nothing and coming to like going and shooting गर्मी में, किसी गांव खेड़े में या कहीं पे भी टाउन में, and telling a great story and playing a great character, I think that is more important for me as an artist.
But how difficult is that weight? Because it's also a play of patience, right? You have to
Yes.
be really patient.
Yes.
And sometimes it is not easy. Sometimes, most of the times, it's not easy. Because also we live in a world of social media where you instantly come to know what your contemporary is doing, what somebody else is doing. And then that self-doubt that, am I good enough? Why am I not getting something? So how do you stay sane when all this is happening also around you?
मानो ना मानो, मैं इतना सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं जाती हूँ. मेरी टीम हैंडल करती है जो करना है. मैंने बहुत पहले अपने आप को समझा लिया था कि certain things are out of my control. I do the film or a series for my happiness, for something that I believe in. But उसका चलना ना चलना वो मेरे ऊपर नहीं है. It is literally out of my control. So I will want to hope and have faith it works. But when it does not, मैं अपने आप को ना ज़्यादा तोड़ती नहीं उसमें. I move on very fast. Like मेरे पहले के 2-3 projects ने मुझे सिखा दिया, बहुत harshly, but मुझे सिखा दिया, and I have actually learned how to move on with this. Yeah.
can I add something?
Yeah, please
Sorry.
go for it.
Very late I realized that this is a part of my life. This is not my life. It's a part.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
when I treat it like that, sanity is intact. Sanity automatically is intact.
Yeah. Wow. What about you, Anjali? How do you deal with that weight?
dealing with weight is very easy for me.
Oh my
It was right there. It was right there, guys. पर मुझे कभी किसी ने टेम्प्ट किया ही नहीं है with like nice things. इतना लंबा करियर रहा नहीं है मेरा. I worked for television before COVID and
Yeah.
after that movies and series have been
जी.
happening. मेरी पहली पिक्चर थी रॉकी और रानी, धर्मा प्रोडक्शन, करण जौहर डायरेक्ट कर रहा था. मुझे लगा मैं जाऊंगी लंदन, मैं जाऊंगी न्यूयॉर्क, मैं गई आयुष रिसोर्ट इन पनवेल. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन करण जौहर सेड मैं इंडिया में पिक्चर बनाऊंगा. तो मुझे टेम्पटेशन है ही नहीं. मैंने बहुत टेलीविजन शूट किया है, मैंने बहुत गर्मी में शूट किया है. मैं अपनी छुट्टियों पे जाती हूँ जब मेरा मन करता है.
और concerts, please.
कॉन्सर्ट्स के लिए तो मैं कहीं भी, मैं मून पे भी
बस
चली
best.
जाऊंगी.
I know,
You know.
I know, friend, I know.
So I don't think I mean it's great. अगर हुआ कुछ अच्छा, I will enjoy it. I will enjoy anywhere. मुझे धूप में, गर्मी में, नीचे में पसीने आ रहे हैं, मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Very good.
मुझे सेट पे मजा आता है, मुझे
Best,
अपना काम
best.
करने में मजा आता है. और अगर सामने से लोग हैं जो इंटरेस्टेड है काम करने में, तो मुझे और भी मजा
मजा
आता
आता है. correct.
Nice.
Nice.
है. नहीं
Not
सॉरी,
here.
मगर
Yeah.
न्यूयॉर्क में और मजा आएगा तो ले जाओ.
Your request tha, right? Manifestation or request. Okay, because Shabana ma'am is not here, we're going to quickly do this. What we're going to do is we're going to pack an imaginary tiffin box here. Each of y'all get to add a dish to it.
Okay.
Go for it. What is, if you're packing a dabba for Shabana ma'am, what would you?
For Shabana ma'am,
Huh.
samosas. Good, I got this first.
Samosas.
I think what is that? अरे क्या वो
टाइम अप.
अरे नो
How do I understand
मुझे नाम
this?
याद नहीं आ रहा यार.
चपाती.
आलू पूरी को क्या बोलते हैं? वो पूरी क्या खाते हो? सेव पूरी.
सेफ पूरी.
Sorry,
आलू पूरी.
sorry, I'm
No,
bad
you're
with
not
I'm
saying.
bad with names.
Sev
guys.
पूरी.
Please.
ठीक है, सेव पूरी.
A very good निहारी.
Oh, loves it.
I'd love to feed her puran poli.
I love
Nice.
पूरी.
Sir.
बहुत सारा रिस्पेक्ट और प्यार.
वाह, deep.
On very deep.
भैया जी, आप
On
तो
that
kill
note,
कर रहे हो.
that was my time with you guys. All the very best for Dabba Kartin.
Thank
Like
you.
I said, I'm already a fan, guys.
Thank
you.
For all the amazing job that you guys have done in the show. I know for a fact that people are only going to keep talking about it. So we're looking forward to a lot of awards for Dabba Kartin already, manifesting it. Hoping to see you guys super soon. Till then, this one is a wrap.